Hey folks, and welcome back to another video. It's Louise, Presley-Turner here, your coach, teacher and Hay House author. Now this video is specifically recorded for service-based businesses, and today I'm talking about how to use video or YouTube to grow your business. The fact is, video is king right now, or queen if you like, and video has been big business for me over the last 5 or 6 years. At the point of recording this video, we've had 1.1 million views on YouTube. We've got something like 22,000 subscribers, and we've even had one of our videos which has had 720,000 views alone, just for one video. Video is massive for us, and what it does for us, YouTube, our videos actually send a steady stream of new subscribers to our business every single day for free. It's just about me getting content out there, and this lovely steady stream of client comes knocking at my door throughout the year. So it's really powerful, and there is nothing like video to build trust and rapport quickly, to communicate with your audience. It's super powerful. So if you're not using video yet for your business, you need to, whether that's a welcome video on your homepage, or whether that is a series of videos or vlogging or whatever it is, but you need to use video because it's super powerful at engaging and communicating with the right people. Now, what most people don't realise about YouTube is that it's a really powerful search engine. So we think about, Google, but actually I think YouTube is a better search engine because people are sitting there online and they've got some kind of problem, some kind of pain point that they're suffering with in their life. And they're typing into YouTube what the problem is, and they're looking for a solution right in that moment. Now, if you have content on YouTube, you have videos on YouTube talking about the specific problem that they've got, then they're going to find your video and they're going to be put in front of you. I mean, this is powerful stuff, and this is why it's so important to understand what problem you solve in the world, what your niche is and your target market, because then you can go and create the right kind of videos, and then YouTube will ensure they get to the right people. I mean, it's huge, and it's a powerful search engine. So I don't want you ever to forget that, because you need to leverage YouTube. You need to use this to your advantage. And you know what? Getting started with video has never been as easy as it is right now, because with the advancement of technology, the cameras on our phone now are phenomenal. If I go back 5 or 6 years, we had lighting, we had a big camera, we had microphones. It was all hard work to get video up there. Nowadays, we literally just press record on our phone, and you can do this too. It takes a bit of practice, to build that confidence and to be okay about becoming visible, but it's so easy now, and you need to kind of get on board with this for your business. Now, I'm going to share with you 3 really simple tips to help you get started with video. So tip number 1 is obviously to create your video, and you're looking to create videos that are between 3 and 6 minutes on average. You don't want them to be any longer than that. And your video needs a really good headline. It needs a good hook, because people are going to make the decision whether they watch your video based on the title of your video. So it needs a really good hook. And in fact, the video that I mentioned at the top of the video, that's had 720,000 views, the title of that video is called Manifest What You Want Within 48 Hours. So it's a really strong title. So you need to think about your title and make sure it's really powerful. The second tip is you need a call to action. On every video you put out there, you need a call to action. So give the viewer the next logical step that they can take, whether that's directing them to another video on your YouTube channel or on your website, whether you're directing them to your mailing list and to join your mailing list, whether you're directing them to a masterclass maybe, but make sure you're telling them where to go next. What's the point in putting video out there if you don't, engage them and get them on board and get them following you further? That's the whole point of doing this, right? It's about creating an audience and generating revenue for your business. Third tip, probably the most important one, is to tag your video correctly. So when you upload your new video to YouTube and you put your headline in, YouTube will ask you to tag your video, basically to tell YouTube what that video is about. So YouTube know where to send that video, who to push that video out to. Most people forget to do this, but it's vitally important. And my little secret is you don't want any more than 6 to 8 tags when you're tagging each video. I think YouTube allow you to put way more in, maybe 30 or 40 tags. My opinion is that that confuses YouTube. When you put too many tags in, YouTube doesn't know where the hell to send it. So actually being really clear, 6, 7, 8 tags, telling YouTube what it's about will make it more powerful for you, and YouTube then will be able to push that video in front of the right target market, the right kind of people with the right kind of problem that you can help them solve. So 3 super simple tips to help you get started with video. You just need to have a play with this. You need to just, get comfortable behind the camera, and in time it will become second nature. Now, if you need, or if you would like some more help, not just with video, but with every aspect of your business, I've got 2 masterclasses that could help you. One is about getting your business off the ground, getting you to your first 100,000. And the second masterclass is for those looking to leverage their business by creating some kind of online course. If you would like to get your hands on either of those 2 masterclasses, you can hop on over to mybusinessbaby.com, mybusinessbaby.com, I'll put the links below, and you're looking for the freebies tab, and you will find the masterclasses in there along with lots of other free resources as well. Also, if you would like some extra support, so if you are a coach, an expert, a mentor, a consultant, an author, and you're looking for help to grow and become the go-to expert this year, then I'd like to invite you to have a business strategy session. They're completely free, and it's a chance for us to have a chat and for me to see how I can help you move forward this year. Now again, if you're interested in that, you need to go and have a look at mybusinessbaby.com and look for the book a session tab. Now, I hope this video has served you, and I look forward to catching up again with you soon with another video. Bye.